this balance within that. So it's a negotiation of weight and of tension, and something that is created and vibrates, but it can also find stillness. In a way, it's a set of laws that informs what something is. So when something is what it is until it starts becoming something else with another set of laws, that's becoming. I guess why not dance? It's an endless search. It's an ongoing art form that we can redefine, an endless exercise, pure search of body language, relationship to my own body, or relationship to space, human relations, interpersonal relationships through space, relation to the nature, understand first the context. There have been works that have been created out of a thought or an idea that was personal, but more and more they come in relation to a context, trying to find a real connection to why this work is made now, here. So where, with whom, for whom, reveals the why. How does my team choose me? It's power of attraction, sensitivity, shared understanding of what art can be, or creativity is. People that are different enough from me that would enrich my process. People that are empathetic enough to find a channel that they would not aim for conflict because of ego, for example. You need to find a language that can open a channel of communication, to be compassionate, to understand their position. They are a mirror of whatever I'm projecting. It's something you're not seeing from people, is there is something you're not doing right.